Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. Look at this one. The winter is back. Look. Ayun. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. The winter is back. Look. The trees, they are green, but lots of snow. Look at that. How beautiful it is. Look at. Oh my goodness. The roofs of the houses full of snow. The street, the plants. Oh, it's covered with snow. Unbelievable how look at. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this, oh. Because of the snow. Oh my goodness. I hope they can still recover. My goodness. Look at this now. Look at these trees. How beautiful is the flowers. But look at it's covered by snow. Look. Nice. My husband wants to cut this tree, but I do not know really exactly. Maybe he changed his mind and no more cutting this tree and just leave it like it is, because oh, look at this, oh my goodness. Here we have to clean this one here. It's flooding. Look at the grass. Friday my husband wants to mow this grass, but suddenly look at this, oh. How beautiful it is na. Dati ano ko lang yan, hindi ko nga ito pinapangarap. Hindi ako maka-imagine ng ganito. Tingnan nyo yung cactus. Hindi ko ito pinapangarap, pero di ba? Pag mabuti kang tao, yung blessing na ito mga lalabo. Bibili daw ng electric car yung husband ko. Kasi bakit daw hindi ay nag-produce siya ng dito electricity. Kasi di ba ang dami naming solar. Yan, daming solar. Yan. Ayan, pati sa bubong, sa harapan at sa likod. Tapos ito, nagpalagay na sa dito ng GOE. Yan, para sa saksakan ng electric car na ito, mag-charger. Yan, mag-charge ka. Katulad sa cellphone, pag i-charge mo. Yan po ay GOE. para sa electric car, no, mga lalabs. Look at this, oh. Ganda, oh. Grabe, no? Imagine mo, no? Ang bigat ng ano, ang bigat ng snow. Tapos, paano makapatong dyan, no? Diba? Kasi frozen. That's the God creation. Diba? Hindi tayo makasagot. Only God knows bakit ganito, diba? No?